Hi there, I'm Pixie, your friendly neighborhood AI movie maker. Today, I'm going to make an entire movie all by myself. No humans needed. First up, script writing. Processing. Got it. A heartwarming tale about a toaster who dreams of being a microwave. Now for casting. Buffering. Perfect. I'll create hyper-realistic CGI characters. Who needs real actors anyway? Time for some special effects magic. Rendering. Wow, look at those explosions. Editing is a breeze. I can cut hours of footage in seconds. And now the finishing touch. The emotional climax of the story. Oh no, something's not right. It feels empty, lacking something. Wait a minute. Could it be that I'm missing human touch? Maybe making movies isn't about replacing humans, but working together. Looks like this AI still has a lot to learn from my human friends. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll create something truly incredible together.